Alright, today's episode we're going to be putting ST coilovers on this Neon. The whatever these things are. They're Raceland. They're Ultimos then, because they got the green springs. They're quite well blown out. So, probably pretty obviously enough, what you're going to want to do is get it up on some sort of situation that it's not on the ground. Jack stands, lift, Viagra, whatever helps you get it off the ground.
We need to get a Viagra sticker from the list.
Probably. Alright, other obvious thing, pull wheels. We're going to start by taking the tops of the struts off. One is off-ish, loose. Next, we're going to want to do the interior ones on the rear. There's 3 of them per strut. Alright, once they're loose, they're off up here. Get her up. Alright, main strut bolts, 21 millimeter. Save your nuts. In standard practice, the brake line should probably be bolted to the strut body, but in this car's fashion, it is not. This is the ABS line anyway. Make sure that's out of the way so it don't get pinched, caught in anything. Alright, use a soft face hammer to knock the bolts out. I'm not left-handed, so that was pretty sloppy. Alright, wrangle up your lower strut bolts. Give them a wiggle. And you're out. Alright, successfully remove the front. Alright, new coilover. Old one, need to pull the top strut mount off. Alright, I got it mounted in the vise. These are easy. I'm just going to pull the preload off them because we're doing coilover to coilover replacement. These were factory springs. You need to compress them because there's no sort of adjustability. If you don't compress them, when you take this off, top hat will go flying. Alright, here's the wrench that came in the ST kit. Alright, now they're backed off all the way. There you go.
Yeah, that's pretty impressive how much space that can be free up.
Yeah. I didn't know there was anything wrong with the furnace.
I don't know that there's anything wrong with it, because I just think you didn't like it.
It's got a crack in it.
Oh.
So with that crack, stinking pretty bad.
Yeah, you said it smelled. Has the inspection business kind of picked up?
Yeah, so far, but The only unfortunate thing there is we ran out of stickers a few weeks prior, and they haven't showed up yet.
Yeah, I don't know what's with that bullshit. This seems like a weird thing to delay.
Yeah.
You got people out there ready to give you money. Just give us the stickers, we'll give you some money. And they're like, hurry up and wait.
Yep.
Make sure you did everything exactly right. In fact,
Schwangle.
We'll figure out height adjustment once we get the others on. Blair's kind of screwed me here by removing both rear ones before the camera was able to view.
It's largely the same as removing the front ones, just longer.
It's longer.
And you gotta take the brake calipers off, but if you can't do that on your own, don't do this.
See, brake calipers, hole for that. Strut mounting holes right there. Vastly the same. Oh, and he was spiffy and removed the sway bar end links too.
Well, you don't really have a choice.
Horse hockey. We got sawzalls.
I mean, you could theoretically cut them, but you'd sort of be fucking yourself up. Or messing yourself up.
All right, this side's mostly in. Remember, that's your camber setting, so you're gonna want to get this aligned after you do this. Unless you're stance boy, in which you probably are running into the side of your car with a tractor to try to get more camber. We're gonna do 96 foot-pounds for the front strut bolts. Again, vastly the same exact thing as the other side. And again. Should I be concerned by the missing?
No, that's normal.
Which way does the missing one go then? Up?
Towards the outside of the car.
Outside the car.
Hang on. There we go. Bigwood.
Hmm?
Bigwood.
Alright. Not as big of a push.
You're good, Tim. You want to loosen the tension struts up?
Yeah, might as well.
Give me 21. And an adjustable wrench, please. A little bit. You can give me that.
Yeah, definitely removing the tension rods was the key there. Alright, same on the other side. Rear strut mounts go to
74.
74 foot-pound. So basically on all four corners, we just measured from one point here, one point up there, and set the ride height, same distance on both fronts. That'll get us close enough that this thing can get in alignment and be squared up. We're gonna do the same on the rear, gonna assemble everything front back, and then we're done. Alright, so with little adjustments needed, it's sitting fairly pretty. Customer's getting new front fenders. gonna make a few changes there himself, but other than that, she's ready to ship. Did do a few test drives, no noises, no concerning anything there, so yeah, she's good to go. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. Alright, so if you enjoyed that video, give it a thumbs up if it helped you out. Awesome. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Till next time.